Hospitalizations in Spokane County are slowly going down. Health experts are worried about something else, an increase in young children catching COVID-19. New on Nightside, Caitlin Knapp has which schools are dealing with the most quarantines.
COVID-19 cases are dropping in some Spokane classrooms. However, Spokane Regional Health says cases in younger children are climbing. They can't get vaccinated yet, though that could soon be a possibility as Pfizer's vaccine emergency authorization is in the hands of the FDA.
Encouraging news from the CDC. It predicts COVID-19 hospitalizations will decrease for the third week in a row.
We're starting to see a turning around of the curve and coming down. That is not an excuse to walk away from the issue of needing to get vaccinated.
We aren't out of the woods, as there's a possibility for a winter surge, making vaccinations a priority for kids back in school.
One of the significant concerns here is the increasing cases on those that are 5 to 12, not only during the summer, but as we got into the beginning of the school year early in September.
Over the past week, Spokane Public Schools had to quarantine 514 people, at least 30 from Bemis and Wilson Elementary. In coeur-dalene, nearly 400 students and staff were in quarantine this week. Dr. Frank Velasquez says transmission in Spokane mimics what we see in classrooms.
And it used to be that most of our transmission was not in school, was from the community to the school. But we do have about 1/5 of our cases now are transmission in schools.
Providence says cases in children hasn't translated to hospitalizations. The virus is not as severe for most kids. However, it can certainly make them very sick.
The FDA only has Pfizer's data from its trial, not an official authorization request. The company says that it will be submitted in the coming weeks. In studio, Caitlin Knapp, 4 News Nightside.